Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use Linkvertise, you've probably run into that annoying message forcing you to wait 1 full hour before you can access your link. It's frustrating, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass this wait time quickly and easily. Let's get straight into it. The reason Linkvertise makes you wait is that it tracks your activity using cookies and your IP address. To fix this, we simply need to reset what the website knows about your session. Go to your browser settings, head over to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you delete your cookies and site data. This step alone tricks Linkvertise into thinking you are a completely new user on the platform. If you don't want to clear your main browser's history, the easiest workaround is to simply copy the Linkvertise URL and open it in a completely different browser, like Edge, Safari, or Brave. Alternatively, right-clicking and opening a new Incognito or private window often works just as well to bypass the tracker. If you've tried the first two methods and you are still stuck on the 1 hour countdown, the site is likely logging your IP address. To fix this, you just need to generate a new IP. You can do this by briefly restarting your Wi-Fi router, toggling airplane mode on and off if you are on your phone, or quickly connecting to a free VPN. By using these 3 simple methods, you will bypass the waiting period and get to your destination instantly. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe for more straightforward developer and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.